morning, everyone. My name is Virgilio Corribiseri. Today, I will explain to you a language families using a handmade family tree. Now, the question is, what are language families? A language families is a group of languages evolved from a common ancestral language, Proto language. They share similarities in vocabulary, grammar, and sound systems. Now, how do language families formation? A language families form over thousands of years as communities separate and their language evolved independently. So let's go to Proto language. A Proto language is a reconstructed hypothetical language believed to be the ancestor of a language family. Let's go on to the 7 major language families of the world. First is Indo-European. Indo-European spoken in the regions of Europe, parts of Asia, and Americas. It includes English, Spanish, Hindi, Russian, Bengali, Portuguese, and Persian. Second is Sino-Tibetan. The Sino-Tibetan is spoken in the regions of East Asia and Southeast Asia. It includes Mandarin Chinese, Cantonese, and Burmese. Third is Afro-Asiatic. Afro-Asiatic is spoken in the regions of Middle East and North Africa. It includes Arabic, Hebrew, Amharic, and Hausa. The fourth is Niger-Congo. In Niger-Congo is spoken in the regions of Sub-Saharan Africa. It includes Swahili, Yoruba, Igbo, and Zulu. The fifth is Austronesian. This is where we belong. Austronesian is spoken in the regions of Southeast Asia, Pacific Islands, and Madagascar. It includes Tagalog, Cebuano, Malay, Javanese, and Hawaiian. The sixth is Dravidian. Dravidian is spoken in the regions of southern India and Sri Lanka. It includes Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. The seventh is Uralic. A Uralic is spoken in the regions of northern and eastern Europe. It includes Finnish, Estonian, and Hungarian. Final thoughts. Language families provide a fascinating way to understand the history of human communication, from ancient root tongues to modern global languages. They reveal how people are connected across time and space. Studying language families is like uncovering the family history of humanity itself, a journey through words, ideas, and the human experience. Thank you for watching. God bless.